Hi, it's Gavin Routledge here again. So I've suggested you use an ice pack. How do you use an ice pack? So very briefly, I have an ice pack in here. It's a gel filled pack, if I can get into it. So nice and malleable, nice and soft. When it comes out of the freezer, it won't be that soft. Very important that you pop it. Oh, before we get onto that, first thing is, why an ice pack rather than frozen peas and so on? Frozen peas tend to warm up too quickly, they don't stay cold for long enough. There's always the danger that somebody will eat them a year later, having been frosted and defrosted a number of times. Ice in a bag is very good, however, tends to be a bit messy, water runs down your leg and so on. It could be a bit unsightly, maybe look like you've wet yourself. So an ice pack, very useful. You can use it hundreds of times. We use these gel filled ones. They often come with a little bag. I often don't use the bag, however I'm going to show you how to use it. Open up wide, pop it in. You probably can't see this, it's probably below the level of the camera. Slide it in there, velcro it back up again. Now, it comes with a little strap, however it is a little strap, and while that's probably fine for strapping around your upper arm or your knee, you're probably watching this because you have lower back pain. How do you strap that around your lower back? Well, you won't be able to see this off camera shot, but I'll put it around my lower back. And you'll see the effect is somewhat like trying to, I would imagine, get an old corset on in the old days. So it's, no ice pack, so it pinged off and fell out. So I generally just tuck it down my trouser band. So particularly if you're a man, you're wearing a belt, just pop the ice pack inside a container, either the one it comes with, or wrap it in a tea towel so that you don't get an ice burn on your skin. That will certainly add to your worries. And slide it down inside your waistband, have your belt on loosely, tight enough just to hold the ice pack in place. Thereby you don't have to stay still with the ice pack on, you can wander around so long as it stays closely applied to the area that you're trying to freeze. Now we are not really trying to freeze it, we're just trying to ice it. So 25 minutes. So if it's lower back, leave the ice pack on for 25 minutes. Much less than that, it's not effective. Much more than that, there's a danger that you can damage the tissues. So ice pack for 25 minutes. Take it out, pop it back in the freezer, and probably an hour, hour and a half later, it's good to go again. So follow the advice I gave you on how many times or how frequently to ice pack. And in essence, again, this old bit of advice, if you follow our advice closely, you will get better faster. So if I've said try and ice pack it 5-6 times a day, if you only ice pack once a day, it may not help. So there we go. That's the ice pack, and happy icing. Thanks.